What if ChatGPT could send emails, post on Slack, or update Google Sheets all by itself? And that is exactly what happens when you connect ChatGPT to Zapier. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to link ChatGPT with Zapier so it can automate real-world actions. So first, open Zapier, then create an account. Just go to the zapier.com and sign up for free. Then once you're in, simply just click Create a Zap. This is where you'll connect ChatGPT as either a trigger or an action. Then you might want to connect ChatGPT to Zapier. So in the Zap editor, search for ChatGPT. You can then connect your OpenAI account, then approve the access. Now Zapier can send and receive messages from your ChatGPT conversations. Then you might want to choose a trigger or action app. So just start a Zap from anywhere. So when a Google form is submitted, ChatGPT summarizes responses. And when a message arrives in Slack, ChatGPT auto-replies or drafts an answer. Then, customize your workflow. You can add input variables like prompts or text fields. Like example, use ChatGPT summarizing emails. Then, lastly is to test and activate the Zap. Click the test action to preview ChatGPT's response and check if data flows correctly between the apps itself. And once it's working, hit turn on Zap. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.